Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So let's start with our today's session. Guys, our today's session is very important session because today we are going to learn some sentences, some phrases, some words which may help us in questionary kind of conversation. That the very first is what. What is equals શું in Gujarati? What is equals શું in Gujarati? So with the what word, here we have example sentence. What is this? આ શું છે? What is this? આ શું છે? So if you see guys, this way we can create a sentence with the word what. Let's have one more example. What is your name? તમારું નામ શું છે? What is your name? તમારું નામ શું છે? Let's have one more example. What is your age? તમારી ઉંમર શું છે? What is your age? તમારી ઉંમર શું છે? So guys, age is equals ઉંમર in Gujarati. Age is equals ઉંમર in Gujarati. So this way you can create questionary sentence with the word what. The next one is where. Where is equals kya. So for example, if you are finding something, if you are searching something, you can have question with the word where. In that, the very first example sentence over here is where is this? આ ક્યાં છે? Where is this? આ ક્યાં છે? Let's say we are asking some location. Where is this location? આ location ક્યાં છે? Or maybe we can have pure Gujarati word. આ સરનામું ક્યાં છે? So for location, we have word સરનામું in Gujarati. આ સરનામું ક્યાં છે? Or maybe આ જગ્યા ક્યાં છે? So for location, either we can have સરનામું word, સરનામું, or we can have જગ્યા. Okay, so this way you can ask location. For example, if I am finding my ball pen, where is this pen? આ pen ક્યાં છે? So this way you can have questionary sentence with the word where. Where is equals kya. Next one is who. Who is equals kon. Who is equals kon. Who is this? આ કોણ છે? Or who is she? તેણી કોણ છે? Or who is he? તે કોણ છે? Or maybe we can have one more example. Who is this singer? આ ગાયક કોણ છે? Singer is equals ગાયક in Gujarati. Singer is equals ગાયક in Gujarati. So if we have sentence, who is this singer? In Gujarati we can say આ ગાયક કોણ છે? Let's say one more example. Who is this writer? આ લેખક કોણ છે? So writer is equals લેખક in Gujarati. Okay guys, this way you can create questionary sentence in Gujarati with the word કોણ. Okay, who is equals કોણ in Gujarati. The next one is why. Why is equals શા માટે. So the first example sentence over here is why are you crying? તું શા માટે રડે છે? Why are you crying? તું શા માટે રડે છે? So for why, we have word in Gujarati is શા માટે. In that, the sentence, the example sentence over here is why are you crying? તું શા માટે રડે છે? You can have one more example. Let's say why are you running? તું શા માટે દોડે છે? Okay, why are you walking? તું શા માટે ચાલે છે? So this way we can create sentence with the Gujarati word શા માટે. Why is equals શા માટે in Gujarati. It's very simple, guys. You just have to do more practices. The next one is how. How is equals kevu. How is equals kevu in Gujarati. So let's have example sentence. How are you? કેવું ચાલે છે? Or maybe how are you doing? કેવું ચાલે છે? For both you can use same sentence. કેવું ચાલે છે? So this way you can use this sentence. Let's say if you're meeting some friends, some of our relatives which we are very close, and we are asking how are you? In Gujarati we can say or we can use કેવું ચાલે છે? Okay, so both are same. How are you doing or how are you will have same sentence which is કેવું ચાલે છે. Like this you can use this sentence. The next one is can. Can is equals કરી શકવું. Can is equals કરી શકવું. So here we have an example sentence. You can do it. તું આ કરી શકો છો. You can do it. તું આ કરી શકો છો. Let's have one more example. You can run. તું દોડી શકો છો. Let's have one more example. You can walk. તું ચાલી શકો છો. So wherever we have sentence with can word, can is equals કરી શકવું in Gujarati. So this way we can create sentence with કરી શકવું in Gujarati. Okay guys? The next one is word. Is equals છે in Gujarati. Is equals છે in Gujarati. So here we have one example sentence. Is it good? તે સારું છે? Or maybe is it bad? તે ખરાબ છે? So this way we can have a questionary sentence with word is, and is equals છે. Let's say one more example with word is. Is it far? તે દૂર છે? Is it near? તે નજીક છે? Far is equals દૂર in Gujarati, and near is equals નજીક in Gujarati. I am repeating. Is it far? તે દૂર છે? Is it near? તે નજીક છે? Okay guys, very easy. So this way you can create couple of sentence with the word is, and in Gujarati meaning of is છે. Okay, very simple. The next one is will. Will is equals કરીશ. Will is equals કરીશ. Let's have one example. Will you do this work? તું આ કામ કરીશ? Will you do this work? તું આ કામ કરીશ? So if you see at the end of the sentence we have word કરીશ. So if we have such a questionary sentence with will word in Gujarati, we can create sentence like this. તું આ કામ કરીશ? Will you do this work? તું આ કામ કરીશ? Let's have one more example. Will you marry me? તું મારી સાથે લગન કરીશ? Will you marry me? તું મારી સાથે લગન કરીશ? Marry is equals લગન in Gujarati. Marry is equals લગન in Gujarati. So the complete sentence will be તું મારી સાથે લગન કરીશ, because we are asking for future. કરીશ. So with will word we can create sentence in Gujarati by using કરીશ word at the end of the sentence, like as given here in example. I am repeating. Will you do this work? તું આ કામ કરીશ? Okay. Will you marry me? તું મારી સાથે લગન કરીશ? Like this. The next one is would. The meaning of would in Gujarati is કરશે. Would is equals કરશે. He would do painting. તે પેઇન્ટિંગ કરશે. He would do painting. તે પેઇન્ટિંગ કરશે. Let's have one more example. He would do jumping. તે કૂદકો મારશે. He would do jumping. તે કૂદકો મારશે. So with the would word, we can create sentence like this. Would is equals કરશે. In Gujarati, he would do painting. તે painting કરશે. He would do jumping. તે કૂદકો મારશે. Like this, we can create sentence in Gujarati. The next one is should. Should is equals જોઈએ in Gujarati. Should is equals જોઈએ in Gujarati. And the example sentence with the should over here is you should read books. તારે પુસ્તકો વાંચવા જોઈએ. You should read books. તારે પુસ્તકો વાંચવા જોઈએ. You should take rest. તારે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ. I'm repeating. You should read books. તારે પુસ્તકો વાંચવા જોઈએ. And we'll have one more example. You should take rest. તારે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ. Rest is equals આરામ in Gujarati. Rest is equals આરામ in Gujarati. So guys, this way we'll have sentence for should in Gujarati. I am repeating for you. You should read books. તારે પુસ્તકો વાંચવા જોઈએ. You should take rest. તારે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ. The next one is could. Could is equals શકે છે. Could is equals શકે છે. And we'll have example sentence over here is she could run. She could run. તેણી દોડી શકે છે. She could run. તેણી દોડી શકે છે. Let's have one more example. She could jump. તેણી કૂદકો મારી શકે છે. Jump is equals કૂદકો મારવો in Gujarati. Jump is equals કૂદકો મારવો in Gujarati. So let's have one more example. She could walk. તેણી ચાલી શકે છે. Walk is equals ચાલવું in Gujarati. Walk is equals ચાલવું in Gujarati. So I'm repeating. She could walk. તેણી ચાલી શકે છે. So guys, this way you can create couple of sentences with the word could. And the meaning of could in Gujarati is શકે છે. The next one is may. May is equals શકે. So mostly may word is used when we need to have permission for something. Let's say may he go. તે જઈ શકે છે. So in this way we are asking permission. May he come. તે આવી શકે છે. So guys, this way we can create sentences with the word may. May mostly used with permission based sentences. Okay. The next one is might. Might is equals કદાચ. Might is equals કદાચ. And the example sentence over here is I might come. હું કદાચ આવીશ. I might go. હું કદાચ જઈશ. I'm repeating. I might come. હું કદાચ આવીશ. I might go. હું કદાચ જઈશ. So for come in Gujarati we can use આવીશ, and for go we can use જઈશ. So guys, this way you can create sentences with might word, and the meaning of might in Gujarati is કદાચ. I am repeating one more time. I might come. હું કદાચ આવીશ. The next one is I might go. હું કદાચ જઈશ. Next one is must. Must is equals જોઈએ. Must is equals જોઈએ. And we have one example sentence over here is વી મસ્ટ ગો. અમારે જવું જોઈએ. વી મસ્ટ ગો. અમારે જવું જોઈએ. Let's have one more example. We must come. અમારે આવવું જોઈએ. So for go in Gujarati જવું and for come in Gujarati આવવું. So I'm repeating. We must go. અમારે જવું જોઈએ and we must come. અમારે આવવું જોઈએ. So guys, this way you can create sentences with must word, and the meaning of must in Gujarati is જોઈએ. Alright, the next one is have. Have is equals છે. Have is equals છે in Gujarati. So let's have one example sentence over here is I have car. મારી પાસે કાર છે. I have car. મારી પાસે કાર છે. Okay, let's have one more example. I have bike. મારી પાસે bike છે. I have bike. મારી પાસે bike છે. So for have we have word in Gujarati is છે. So you can create sentence like this in Gujarati. The next one is has. So guys, same sentence you can use for has also in Gujarati. There is no any change. Okay, but just to give you a clarification that the have or has in Gujarati remains same. Like for example, I have bike. So મારી પાસે bike છે. So in Gujarati it remains same. So there is no change for has or have in Gujarati sentence. You can straight away use, they will understand. So guys, let's have some quick exercise. In that, the very first is, what word is used for 9 in Gujarati? Well done. 9 is equals now in Gujarati. 9 is equals now in Gujarati. How would you say 20 rupees in Gujarati? Well done guys. 20 rupees is equals 20 rupiah in Gujarati. 20 rupees is equals 20 rupiah in Gujarati. Can you tell me how would you say new word in Gujarati? I mean the meaning of new in Gujarati. Perfect. New is equals navu. New is equals navu. Let's have one example with new word. I have new bag is equals મારી પાસે નવું બેગ છે. I have a new bag. મારી પાસે નવું બેગ છે. Okay. What word is used for tasty in Gujarati? Perfect. Tasty is equals સ્વાદિષ્ટ in Gujarati. Tasty is equals સ્વાદિષ્ટ in Gujarati. Next one is, how would you say my name is Nirav in Gujarati? So in place of Nirav you can add your name. Perfect. મારું નામ નીરવ છે. My name is Nirav is equals મારું નામ નીરવ છે. So let's say for example your name is John. મારું નામ John છે. મારું નામ Jasmine છે. So like this you can create your own sentence. Thank you so much my dear friends to watching full video. I hope you guys enjoying all my videos and learning Gujarati very well. Guys, if you like my video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. We'll meet again with new video. Take care. Jai Shri Krishna.